What's going on, everybody? Happy Easter. And I'm just fiddling around with these cameras here. So I don't know if I looked this one up correctly or not. This one appears it could be from the 50s. This one appears it's probably from the 1930s. This one got a little bit of rust on it. Some of the stuff's worn off. It's a Baltax. Baldax. I think it's 120 millimeter film it takes. It says made in Germany right here. There's a little leather thing on the side here still. I wouldn't dare move it because I'm sure it'll just fall apart. This is this really interesting viewfinder. So I guess it's meant to be like this format, not like that. So this one here, you push that button and it pops out. And then I guess this was meant to maybe do that. I don't know. So some of the leather from that one here. What's interesting is, why is there that stamp on that? If this was made in Germany, where was the case made? Or did somebody just do that? So the leather broke over there for that. And then there was a little strap to it. There's a name on that. I don't know if I can read it. Emco, probably. Doesn't matter. Anyway, that's the bottom of it where it broke. It was like that when I got it. And then this is from the other one. Which there was probably another part too. Looks like somebody had glued it at one point. Anyway, they're really neat cameras. This is an AGFA. Do they both have the same name on them? Comper? Yeah, they do. Well, and the mechanism looks almost the same on both of them. I honestly think they're both from the same time period. One of them doesn't look significantly older than the other. This one says AGFA. I don't know if that's supposed to be I or a J. Isolet. Made in Germany. Or Josolet. But when I did a search on this one, I come up with 1950s, but I don't think it is. So these are pretty neat.